आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो क्या है, स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट। तो इसमें ट्रिपल के नेम से भी शो है कि हमारे पास थ्री वेक्टर्स होंगे। If we take A, B and C as a vector, then their scalar triple product will be defined as A, B, C, or we can write this as A dot B cross C. If we see that notation, this is same as if we put brackets, and there should be no confusion to deal with A dot B cross C will be equal to, if we write B dot C cross A, and this will be also equal to C dot A vector क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट इसका किसके साथ होगा, B वेक्टर के साथ होगा। एंड इफ वी आर here to solve this product of three vectors, then if A is in unit vector I, j, k, B and C, then A, B, C, I mean scalar triple product of three vector will be equal to mod of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, and simply expand this, so it will be equal to A1, B2, C3 minus C2, B3 minus A2, B1, C3 minus C1, B3 plus A3, B1, C2 minus C1, B2. Simply we know that in our two vectors product as scalar product or vector product, we had deal about area. So here we have three vectors at least, so now we are going to deal with volume. So volume of 3D shaped tetrahedron will be equal to V, shows volume will be equal to 1 by 6 A dot B cross C, and similarly volume of the parallelepiped will be equal to V will be equal to A dot B cross C. So if we are solving to the problems of the coplanar vectors, if we I can write two cases here. If there are three vectors A, B, C, then how we will show that these are coplanar? Simply find out their scalar triple product. If the product is equal to 0, then these vectors are coplanar. Similarly, if we are given A, B, C, D, four vectors, then how we will show that these vectors are coplanar? Simply we will find B minus A dot product with C minus A and cross product D minus C. If this product I can put here bracket to show how we are going to solve. If there is no bracket, then definitely we have to solve cross product and then solve this scalar product. Or we can, if we are not going to use this notation, simply we can use this notation for three vectors combined. Okay, if this product is equal to 0, then these four vectors are coplanar vector. Okay, we are dealing with three vectors, and if from these three vectors any two vectors are same, then their scalar triple product will be equal to 0. How? If I write A dot product with B cross A cross product, this will be equal to 0 as A and A two vectors are repeating. Now we are gonna to solve this problem or result. This result is simple. If we write this notation into that notation, so it will be equal to A plus B dot product with B plus C cross C plus A. If we solve this cross product, then multiply with that dot product, so after that the result will be equal to 2 double of the scalar product triple product of A B C vector. If we are going to solve this product, if we are going to solve these 6 vectors product, this is simply multiplication, so their product will be equal to L dot A, L dot B, L dot C, M dot A, M dot B, M dot C, N dot A, N dot B, N dot C. Now we are going to solve this question. If we are given I unit vector dot J unit vector cross product with K unit vector, so definitely we had to solve J cross K first. So J cross K we know from dot product of two vectors will be equal to I, so this will be equal to I dot product I, and we know that this will be equal to I magnitude and cos of 0, so it will be equal to I magnitude, because this is a unit vector is a vector whose magnitude is 1, so it will be equal to 1 dot 1 dot 1 will be equal to 1. Now we have an example I minus j, j minus k. Similarly, look at A, B, C. And what was our answer? A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. This will be equal to I unit vector has coefficient 1, J unit vector has coefficient -1, and here K unit vector has coefficient 0. Look at B, as we see in previous solution. So I unit vector 0, J 1, K is equal to -1, K I is equal to minus 1. Similarly, J is equal to 0 and K is equal to 1. So if we are going to solve this, this will be equal to 0.